putting this
Thank you
down.
very much.
The next one. Just for a little bit more flavor, we're just gonna go woo!
Hi Jack, welcome to my kitchen.
Nice! I love it. It's very spacious. You know, such a big working area. Oh my god, I love these colorful cutting boards. Look at that. Red, green, and yellow, right? Seafood, vegetables, and poultry. Nice.
Yeah.
So, what are we doing here?
Allora, today we are showing you how to do the ravioli.
Ah,
It's one of the signature dishes in
I
our
see. And then you
hotel.
have the already
This is the ravioli mold.
the mold.
Yeah.
So the dough, the filling,
Exactly,
the
and then
dough,
we close it.
boom, done.
And then we do our ravioli.
Very nice, very convenient, fast. A lot of ravioli because you have the machine here, right? What is it, a lobster
Exactly.
ravioli?
Today we will do lobster ravioli.
Nice.
And then we are going to use saffron and caviar. To the pasta in,
Nice.
this way. We do a small hole.
That's one of Chef's secret.
Exactly.
Doing the
So
ravioli
put
the quick
filling.
way, and that's why every ravioli have the same consistent shape. That's what makes good about it.
And then with the brush and a little bit water.
Water.
Yeah, to make it like a glue. And then we have the special filling that is made by lobster. The lobster comes from La France.
Ah.
Yeah,
So local lobster from Nha Trang. This is nice. I mean, it's very fresh. So you make it like a mousse, right?
Exactly.
Like a lobster mousse.
Exactly.
So
We
it's-
cook
it's
the
pumping
lobster,
in there, yeah.
and then inside we put some vegetable, some
I see.
secret. They only know we know. And then we blend all together. And we're going to prepare our ravioli.
Wow, very fast. Within a minute, chef already can pump up about 50,000 ravioli. No, I'm just kidding. Maybe 25 at one time. Seal it. Make it fresh every day, right?
Exactly.
Every
So
day.
we are going to close it with the other part. Press a bit.
It's like making truffles, chocolate truffles. Nice little one.
And this we turn upside down.
Upside down.
And this we have.
Voila! Oh,
Couple of hours.
couple hours of
Yeah.
freezing and then you can break it.
Exactly.
Oh my god, it's like chocolate.
Yeah.
It's like this candy. Ready to go here. We have the lobster.
Exactly. The ingredients we are going to use for this recipe is the rock lobster. They come from Nha Trang.
Nha Trang.
We buy live.
Live.
And in this case, we use a size of 400 grams because it's only one dish with the pasta.
Okay.
So we don't need too much.
So these are rock lobster.
Exactly.
Warm water lobster, right?
Exactly.
So what's the difference between like the American Maine lobster or Australian lobster to Vietnam Nha Trang lobster?
They are totally different, yeah?
Or
Exactly. This reminds a
the
little bit
texture?
of European. The texture is different. The size is quite different. They remain a little bit more sweet. And also the meat is very crunchy.
Very crunchy.
Yeah. And the difference from the Canadian, for instance, we don't have the cloth.
Okay, no
Yeah.
cloth. So more
So-
meat, meat
Exactly.
concentrated in the tail. That's
Exactly.
very good for the weight. So that's why chef picks the local Nha Trang Vietnam lobster to support the local farmers.
Exactly.
Very good,
We
chef.
like to use.
Yes.
And then, okay, in the frying pan, we're going to put a little bit of olive oil,
Okay.
a piece of butter.
So you're gonna saute the ravioli.
Exactly. So we melt our butter. And the ingredient we are going to use is some cherry tomato.
Sure. So for flavor and for some colors.
Exactly.
Nice.
Then we are going to cut
Okay.
previously
These are
the
poached.
pieces. Exactly. And a few pieces. Another ingredient important that we have today is the caviar.
Yes.
This is the Caspian, and we grow also here in Vietnam.
Wow.
Yeah.
Vietnam caviars. Very nice. Wow. Really nice. So you have
Saffron a
some
little bit.
saffron in there.
Yeah, this is a pistilli.
Very good.
In this case, we use only a little bit of parsley.
Okay.
Yeah. So lobster.
Lobster.
Base of our lobster sauce. A bit salt and pepper.
From
Iran.
Oh, Iran.
Yeah.
Oh, the best. I love it.
We make the sauce a little bit very nice and hot. We combine all the flavor together, and then we put the ravioli.
So the ravioli is going to be in here.
Exactly.
Toss.
Exactly, and then
And
we
we
plate
plate
it.
it. Nice. Wow, smells so good. I cannot wait.
Voila, sauté. Nice.
Okay.
And we are ready. Nice flavor.
I love the
Wow.
color as well. Wow, the saffron really bring out the golden.
So we're going to put our lobster on top.
Voila.
Awesome.
Good. One dish
Thank you
down.
very much.
The next one.
So we are going to prepare one of our signature dish.
Yes.
Is a jack foie gras
Yes.
with the semolino and the pineapple.
It's my favorite.
In the frying pan, you are going to use a little bit olive oil,
Yes.
piece of butter, and we are going to serve together. Also Vietnamese.
Orange and honey. So it's like a orange marmalade with a touch of honey.
Okay, to place it on the side.
Very nice.
One and two. And the sea salt.
How you want the sauce? Around it?
And then we put a little bit of sauce on top and around it.
Thank you, chef.
Okay, this is our final dish. Is a salad. It's all local. It's a Vietnamese dish.
Yeah.
Modern touch. We are going to use ingredients like the green mango.
Green mango.
Yeah. And then important, all the vegetables come from the land. Like we have the coriander, the home leaf, we have the carrots, we have onion, the Palermo, and then we have the seasonal sweets.
Seasonal. Ooh. In Vietnamese, we call ốc. That's my favorite dish.
Okay, what we are going to do, we are going to combine all the ingredients together.
Yes.
So we put the
Inside.
and then we put the Palermo,
Palermo.
the carrot.
So these are sweet pepper, but in Italian they call it Palermo.
Palermo is the city. Okay, the carrot, and then we are going to use a little bit of onion, then a little bit of garlic.
Yes.
Right? Maybe
Peanuts. For the crunch. It's very important.
Crunchiness.
Yeah, hey, throw all in. My favorite. Hey, we throw all in.
And then we are going to use a little bit of fish sauce.
Yes, these are one of Vietnamese all-time staple and famous sauce, right?
And then we mix all together.
I love it. I mean, this is gonna be a very healthy dish. You know, really balanced with the pineapple and the orange honey foie gras.
Take it gently our salad, and then we put in the middle.
So I'm gonna dress it up with a little bit, maybe a little bit more peanut, right? That's a. I have it here. Yeah. I think so, huh? Are we good? Yes. Just for a little bit more flavor, we're just gonna go. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. We have 3 dishes by chef. I gotta ask you this, chef. What's your inspiration from picking these 3 dishes?
But the inspiration comes from, of course, the fresh ingredients we have here in Vietnam.
That's true.
So we imagine our cuisine that is international with Vietnamese touch, the modern techniques.
I can see, you want to highlight the Vietnamese lobster,
Exactly.
The caviar from Vietnam, and then you have all the sea snails, with the local fresh vegetables and herbs. I can see here, how you combine. I think it's a very genius, very a lot of thoughtful into these 3 dishes. So I say, let's put the thoughtfulness into our tummy. Okay. Let's do it. So chef, it's my favorite time of the day, it's tasting.
Exactly.
we did a hard work. Actually. I seen your masterpiece and now we have to try it, right? And we're gonna pair it with the wine. Let's have some wine first, chef, so we can toast. Cheers.
Chin chin.
Chin chin. Is that how you say it? And then when you chin chin, in European style you look them in the eye, right?
Okay.
Why is that? Why is that?
Because it's more polite.
More eye contact. I gotta ask you this question.
Well. Yeah.
I come in, I read the name Bamboo Chic.
Okay.
Why Bamboo Chic?
Bamboo Chic is a concept of Meridien in Asia Pacific. The concept is a modern Asian cuisine.
Oh, modern Asian cuisine, nice. Yeah, Bamboo Chic.
Exactly.
Wow.
And in this case, we do contemporary Vietnamese cuisine.
Nice. So that go back to what Mr. Malcolm said. At Bamboo Chic, we really come up with a lot of international flares, local flavors, for the world leader to try. And now I can see. Yeah, so bon appetit, huh?
Bon appetito.
Everything's so colorful, vibrant.
So we say this is the first start of the salad, with the first one that we need to try.
Let's see. First course, I love it.
Chin.
Very light,
Yeah.
very refreshing. It's kind of like a palate opener. So it kind of make you welcome more dishes. Make you actually hungrier.
Yeah. So we can go with the second one.
Chin, chin, chin.
Chin chin.
Chin. So what is the second one?
Or the second one is when we prepare the show. It's a typical pasta Italian, and we do in a modern techniques.
Yes.
Because the way that we do the dough is very, I can say, modern. And we're using fresh ingredients from Vietnam, as we said, the lobster, the caviar.
Yes.
And we do this sauce that is, I can say, international because of the saffron come from Iran. So let's try it.
Very good. Very nice size, huh? Very good. I love the smooth feeling. It's a little bit light. Then you have the saltiness of the
sauciness
the
of the
foie gras,
caviar.
the caviar,
They mix together with
and the lobster.
juiciness of the lobster.
Yeah, it's
And
very the meat texture.
Yeah, we have different kind of texture together.
Yeah.
We can see that the velouté of the sauce, the crunchiness of the lobster, the saltiness of the caviar, and together. You can see.
I like it. Yeah, the saffron. Yeah. I think very successful dish there. So let's dig right
We
in.
mentioned like when we prepare, these are the duck foie gras.
Yeah.
That we are going to serve just gently, and we are going to use a semolino.
Yeah.
It's a typical like a cake.
Cooked to the perfect temperature. I
And
like
we
it.
use a pineapple and the local honey.
Right. You can actually, yeah, the foie gras dish should balance with some sort of acid.
Should try also.
This one, huh?
Semolino.
With the semolina pancake.
Yeah.
I love the orange and honey.
In this case, you have a honey,
you know, kind of cover the.
In this case, we like to have
the decadent and the richness of the foie gras, and then you balance it with a little bit of grilled, charred pineapple. So it's kind of bring out everything together, and then you kind of had the taste a little bit of the semolina. So thank you, chef. I really thoroughly enjoy cooking with you. Understand,
very much.
you know, your inspiration behind this dish. It is for bamboo chick. So my friend, I already give you a hint, another hint about this place with the contemporary Asian cooking bamboo chick. So I see you in a bit.